Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download Instagram Reels and videos directly to your device. There are a few different ways to do this depending on the situation, so make sure to watch the full guide. First, let's say you're recording an Instagram story or video yourself. After recording your video, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap Save. This will download and save the video directly to your phone's camera roll. Lastly, if you want to download someone else's Instagram Reel, find the reel you want to download. Tap the paper plane icon, the share button, on the right. Then scroll along the bottom options and look for Download. Tap Download and it'll be saved to your gallery. Just keep in mind, downloaded reels from other accounts are for personal use only and can't be used commercially. And that's it. That's how to download Instagram Reels and videos. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.